Kendama is a traditional Japanese toy that embodies both skill and playfulness. It consists of a wooden stick, ken, with 3 cups, big, small, and base cup, and a spike, ken spike, on top, and a wooden ball, tama, with a hole in the center, connected by a string to the ken. Players manipulate the ball using various techniques to land it on the different parts of the ken. The charm of kendama lies in its simplicity, yet it offers a wide variety of complex and diverse techniques to master. Beginners start with basic moves like landing the ball on the big or small cup, but with practice, they can progress to more advanced techniques, such as spinning the ball in the air and spearing it on the spike. Kendama not only fosters concentration, hand-eye coordination and patience, making it enjoyable for all ages, from children to adults, but also has a competitive aspect, with international kendama contests being held. Its appeal has been recognized internationally, leading to a kendama boom in many countries. Beyond just a game, kendama has cultural and sporting elements, making it a beloved activity across the globe.